couple weeks, I've been feeling sick a lot. Didn't know what was going on with me, so I was missing some work and put us a little bit behind already on our bills. Then I had a heart attack unexpectedly. Spent 15 days in the ICU. When I got out, 5 days later we were evicted, and we started our homeless trek from there. Our life just was like on hold, you know, and not in a good way. Didn't have no time to recover really. Still broken sternum, broken ribs from trying to bring me back to life. You know, things were pretty depressing.
I never thought it'd be so hard to keep the roof over their heads and food on the table. You told me at 44 years old, it's just hard. I'm like, man, every day I get with him, it's like I feel like I'm getting away with something anyways, because, he died and come back. So. Job security, stable living, it's just something we didn't have. I didn't know we were going to lay our head down before, you know. Got to come up with $80 for a hotel room somehow.
We stayed in hotels for like 3 months, scraping by, you know, barely making it. Then we got into the program. 3 weeks later, I was here with a job and a new future.
We're so much better right now. I wouldn't trade anything for the world. It's we both had employment, both of us, for a whole year. It's awesome. It's a good feeling.
Entryway is a second chance for individuals who have faced situations, they've had these life-altering events, and through this program we have the ability to help them restart their lives and get their hope and dignity back. It's something that takes a village, and we are so grateful for all of our partners who have walked alongside us in this process to literally lift people out of homelessness to economic self-sufficiency and not just get a job but a career and thrive.
Finding ways to give back really does matter. We're raising a large family, and we've been blessed with this opportunity to run an organization like Funnel. Finding partners like Entryway who serve our local community is part of that.
I get to tell our children how Entryway is going. I share with them the wonderful stories that we get to hear about families or people who get opportunities to have a home and have that security.
Thank you for believing in us and for what you do, for the people you do it for. Just because you're homeless doesn't mean that you're bad people or that you have no ambition in life and that you can just be overlooked, because they don't overlook you. You know, thank you for that. For seeing me as a person that's worth helping, and for all the other people you help, thank you.
I don't know where I'd be without them. I really don't. I don't know where I'd be. I owe the world to you guys. Thank you. No, I think they should be proud of their parents, proud of how far we came, and come a long way, that's for sure. And there's no going backwards. When there's no going backwards, they can go up from here.